Wellness and divine elevation, my brothers and sisters, sons and stars, rise and shine, and welcome to another Fire of Truth, Supreme Natural Intelligence, blazing broadcast. We out here in almighty nature. Natural Nathan is back out here, my brothers and sisters, we back. There we go. We in almighty nature. All right, my brothers and sisters, in today's teaching and lesson, briefly and concisely, as always, we got to be connected to the earth, operating in alignment and attunement. You know what time it is, my brothers and sisters. So in today's teaching, it's important that you get back to nature. When you operate in the cities, you operate with all of the distractions. That brings cloudiness to your mind. You're not operating at your pinpoint peak pinnacle of your potential. So getting back to a natural environment is important and essential for your electrified vitality, longevity, and resiliency like an evergreen tree, surviving and thriving throughout all the seasons. You know what time it is, my brothers and sisters. We got to get connected to the earth, always. Getting the electrons, the negative ions that bring your body back into the peace, harmony, and tranquility. You know what time it is, man. We got to operate in that equilibrium so our body can adjust to the extremes when necessary. You know what time it is. So anyways, clarity and absolute awareness is essential for your mental health. A lot of people nowadays have a lot of nervousness and anxiety and depression. And the main reasons why they have nervousness, anxiety, and depression is because they're not connected to the earth. They're not in almighty nature. Getting connected. The trees are beginning to bloom now, finally. You can see it beginning to bloom. We're getting there. But ultimately, that's a metaphor, that's a parable, and it's a direct reflection that you need to embrace. Spring is a time of new beginnings. So you need to operate in that capacity as well, in that operation. It's a time for growth and development. That's what life is all about. You need to be rising and improving in life. You need to be connecting with the elements, getting in tune with the true spirituality. It's all about a relationship with life. Connecting with the chi, ki, ka, prana, mana, ru, the spiritual energy, the life energy. You got to get in touch, my brothers and sisters. This is where you get your clarity from. This is what you get the highest level of knowledge and wisdom. You have to be operating and connecting in this environment. This is where the greatest vitality is achieved. Your cellular intelligence network will thank you. Every cell in your body will thank you and give you gratitude and appreciation because it'll be able to function at its highest kinetic potential. So my brothers and sisters, let's keep it basic and simple today. Basic and simple. We got to stay connected always. We're moving in the operations of almighty nature. This is the fundamentals and the foundation of life itself, my brothers and sisters. You got to get connected. Charged up. Fill yourself up with that electrified vitality, longevity, and resiliency, my brothers and sisters, is essential. This is how to bring absolute mental awareness and clarity of the mind. There's no need for you to thinking. Let go of the stress. Let go of your worries. Let it all go. Focus on the present and get in tune. You must get in tune. Anyways, my brothers and sisters, I'm just going to enjoy myself, having a nice long walk in the Amazon jungles. So as always and as usual, awaken your mind and get your behind back to the organic, into that mainframe of Almighty Nature, which is a collective consciousness, the unified field of the divine, the great vine, derived from the vine of which you get the true information, knowledge, wisdom, and supreme natural intelligence from. Listen to reason. Listen to knowledge and wisdom. Hi, how you doing? And get your behind back to organic, into that mainframe of Almighty Nature. You know what time it is, my brothers and sisters. We're moving forward. We're moving forward. We got at least a few people out here, it seems like. It's all good. Need to get back to nature. That's awesome. Anyways, my brothers and sisters, we're moving. We're cycling. So enjoy the rest of your day. Remember, consistently, know what time it is. Rise and shine. Holistic pure peace, pure power, and pure elevation. Enjoy the rest of your day, my brothers and sisters. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.